अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक। तो आज से हम क्या करने वाले हैं कि अपने जो रिमेनिंग राउट्स हैं मेरे, उन पे काम करते हैं। ठीक है। जैसे कि सपोज कर लें कि लोकेशन सिटी के बेस के ऊपर अब हम अपनी सर्च करेंगे सर्विसेज और बाय टाइप करेंगे। ठीक है, ये दो रह गए थे तो इनकी हम बैक एंड और फ्रंट एंड देखेंगे। और तब तक तो हम क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं इसकी बैकएंड पे चला जाता हूँ। ठीक है। और बैकएंड पे यहाँ आते हैं सर्विस बाय लोकेशन के अंदर। ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर मैं क्या करता हूँ, डॉलर सर्विसेज इज इक्वल टू सर्विस वेयर सिटी is like dollar this location and paginate dollar this पर पेज करते हैं। ठीक है। और यहाँ से मुझे इसको ख़त्म करना है। ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर हम सबसे पहले अपना डॉलर पब्लिक डॉलर पर पेज पब्लिक डॉलर सॉर्टिंग पब्लिक डॉलर एडवांस सॉर्टिंग। ठीक है। और इसके बाद पब्लिक डॉलर सर्विस टाइप आईडी कर लेते हैं। और लास्ट में हम करेंगे पब्लिक डॉलर कैटेगरी आईडी कर लेते हैं। और लास्ट नॉट पब्लिक डॉलर सर्च कर लेता हूँ। और इसके बाद मैं करूँगा पब्लिक डॉलर मिन प्राइस कर लेते हैं। इसके बाद करेंगे पब्लिक डॉलर मैक्स प्राइस कर लेते हैं। ठीक है। और सर्च सॉर्टिंग पब्लिक डॉलर सिटी पब्लिक डॉलर 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 अभी इतना ही मुझे याद है, बाकी वेरिएबल जैसे साथ साथ मैं बनाऊंगा तब मैं आपको आगे लेकर चलूँगा। इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इसको मैं इंपोर्ट कर लूँगा। ठीक है। और बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट पर पेज साइज़ जो मैं दे रहा हूँ वो इधर है 15। ठीक है। और इसके अलावा मुझे दो और बनाने हैं, पब्लिक डॉलर ग्रिड इज इक्वल टू ग्रिड व्यू एंड पब्लिक डॉलर लिस्ट इज इक्वल टू लिस्ट व्यू। और यहाँ पर इसको मैं करूँगा स्मॉल में और इसको भी मैं स्मॉल में करूँगा। ठीक हो गया। इसके बाद यहाँ पर हम फंक्शन बनाएंगे, पब्लिक फंक्शन सेट ग्रिड। ठीक है। डॉलर दिस ग्रिड इज इक्वल टू ग्रिड व्यू। और मे भी हमें इनको यहाँ से देखता हूँ मैं, ठीक है, कि इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने के बाद हमें यहाँ पर रिक्वायर्ड है कि कंट्रोल Z। अच्छा, सेट ग्रिड के बाद आ जाएगा पब्लिक फंक्शन सेट लिस्ट डॉलर दिस लिस्ट ठीक है। अभी यूं ही लेकर चलते हैं क्योंकि हमने वहाँ पे इसको इनिशियलाइज कर दिया है। ठीक हो गया। तो इसके बाद क्या करना है, पब्लिक फंक्शन ऐड टू कार्ट का एक चाहिए, लेकिन वो अभी हमने इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया, तो इसको मैं एज इट रहने दूंगा। और यहाँ पर हमने क्या करना है, एक और फंक्शन बनाना है, मेथड पब्लिक फंक्शन विद इन count views. Here I have to pass the ID of the service. So here I'm going to do service not with the capital, it should be this smaller, and here I'm going to service find or fail dollar ID. Okay, dollar service count views or here we have to service save. First of all I have to confirm this column name, so I'm going to my not WhatsApp, in here services or here services. In services I have to, here its name is views, not counts views, it should be views. And after that I have to view dollar view is equal to new there is also a table for count views, services views, service view model, where I am going to view uh, services views, service ID and user ID clicked, dollar ID and dollar if auth check if the user is in logged in, then dollar view user ID should be the auth user ID. Okay, after that I'm going to do dollar view click it click or clicked it clicked is equal to 1, I have to check its type. It's teeny. Okay. After that I'm going to $view save. This way we can count the views and add the views user detail. Because of that the user ID null label here I have to show you is null label. If the user exists then it should save the value, otherwise it's remain empty. Okay, so this way we can count the views in our method. So next here I have to go to our template blade component so that we can add or use these functionalities. So here by location component services by location. So here I'm going to do here is dollar I have to for filters we am going to do minimize this one the IA sticky header, and after that and I am going to also hide this one as well, row sorting div. For that I'm going to in my service or search in any of these component I have to copy for this. For filters I have to this copy this call 3 and in location I have to paste it here. Because of that we are using same these types or components in our location component blade.php and backend. After that in call md8 or I'm going to copy this one as well for location services for 9 I'm going to replace it with this default sorting. Here I have to rename the method switch to grid mode switch to grid mode and here switch to list mode list v. Okay, now I am going to close this one and here for backend I'm going to also passing these dollar categories is equal to category model get where status should be the active. After that I'm going to types is equal to service type where status should be the active and get this one as well, and I am going to pass with services is equal to dollars services, and after that I am going to do categories as well, and here types dollar types as well, and here I have to use with pagination and use livewire alert as well, so both can be auto import. In my case you have to add manually, and so in our services component we are also giving the name of view mode, so I have to, and here view mode by default I have to use one variable to rather than use two, and here I have to give the pass the value to grid or list. It should be grid, and view mode and view mode, and here as well I am going to use view mode is equal to list. So next, so now if I go for using this route by location, and city name should be the Morocco, slash Morocco. Location not found in component. Okay, so that we have to go and create one more method, which was the function mount method, where should be the city name, or here dollar this location is equal to dollar city name, and also I have to create one more variable with the name of location, public dollar location as well, and we are passing the location. Now what it will say that the why it says that. Okay, because of that. Also I have to give these one as well in my min and max price. So that the issue was maybe city required binding containers online middleware update status. I have to go in my middleware http middleware updating the online status. You have this is the eloquent model method update. Give me some time to fix it, then I will start from here again. The issue was the variable we are using, that the city name. Because of that we are in my route using name city, not the city name. So after that, when I remove this one, or when I understand the exact error meaning, so I remove this one and it's work properly and give us the services against the location Hyderabad, city of Pakistan. So in this way we can I can I can manage or do my all other routes handle to find these services or get these services using these methods. So now you can understand the functionality in better ways to how to call them and how to manage them in all others like service by provider, services by type, which can we implement in next lecture, and services component, search component show the services against the search by name or by location. And after that, in here I'm going to also show you we have to also implement this as well, or maybe services by provider I already have implemented. So services by type, in next lecture we will implement the backend of service by type component and do the meaning of this by adding conditions of the location, city, min, max, search, category, and service type ID in our conditions here, and also these three as well per page, which we implemented by using the per page size in our paginate. And here we can sort on the basis of new and old. Here we can sort on the basis of VIP, top, other, featured, non-featured. Okay, this way we can. In next lecture I will show you how I will do it here by adding some if else condition. Currently I'm so tired and I am. So see you in next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Subscribe my channel and like the video. And if you have any question, ask me in my comments, or you can also WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number, which was the 923106473564. Okay, see you in next lecture.